Unlike the old phones before, smartphones today has a lot of features that we can use to make our device elegant and more useful. Android operating system has enabled users to access the web, media and apps as well as customize our phone screens. In this video, I will teach you how to change screen theme on Realme C12. Here's how to do it. From the home screen, open the app drawer. Look for settings and tap on it. Tap display and brightness. While inside display and brightness, scroll down and tap Set Wallpaper. Now, you see static wallpapers and photos. If you want your own photo to be the theme, just simply tap Photos. However, if you want to use those built-in images as your theme screen, then, tap Static Wallpapers. In this tutorial, I will select and tap Static Wallpapers. Now, you can select which image you want to use as a screen theme of your phone. Tap the image. Tap Apply and wait for a few seconds to finish the download. Tap Set As. Now, tap Set as Home Screen Wallpaper and go back to the home screen. That's it, you are done changing the screen theme of your Realme C12. I hope this tutorial helps. Please support our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also the notification bell for more videos. Thanks for watching.